슈퍼피디아어 카어 덴트 리페어 키트 is a complete and comprehensive solution to fix car dents and things in an easy and convenient manner. This kit comes with all the tools needed to repair dents without causing any damage to your car's paint. Here are some of the key features and specifications of the 슈퍼피디아어 카어 덴트 리페어 키트. High quality tools. The kit includes all the necessary tools made from high quality materials to ensure longevity and durability. The tools are designed to be light and easy to use, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Comprehensive kit. The 슈퍼피디아어 카어 덴트 리페어 kit comes with everything you need to repair a wide range of dents and things, including hail dents, door dings, and more. The kit includes a variety of tools to tailor to different shapes and sizes of dents. Versatile application. The 슈퍼피디아어 카어 덴트 리페어 kit is suitable for all types of vehicles, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and more. The tools are designed to be used on all metal surfaces, including aluminum, steel, and more. Cost-effective solution. The 슈퍼피디아어 카어 덴트 리페어 kit is a cost-effective solution to fixing dents. By using this kit, you can save hundreds of dollars compared to taking your car to a repair shop. 슈퍼피디아어 카어 덴트 리페어 kit is a must-have tool for anyone looking to repair dents on their car without spending a lot of money on expensive repairs at a body shop. This kit includes everything you need to remove small to medium-sized dents from your car, including door dings, hail damage, and other types of dents. The first thing that sets the 슈퍼피디아어 카어 덴트 리페어 kit apart from other dent repair kits is its ease of use. The kit includes a series of razors and tabs that are used to gently massage the dent out from the inside of the car. This means that you don't have to drill into your car, sand it down, or use any harsh chemicals. The process is quick and simple, and you can see the results in a matter of minutes. Another great feature of the 슈퍼피디아어 카어 덴트 리페어 kit is its versatility. The kit is designed to work on all types of cars, including sedans, SUVs, trucks, and more. You can use the kit to repair dents on the door, fenders, roof, hood, and other areas of your car. The kit also works on a variety of materials, including aluminum, steel, and plastic. In conclusion, the 슈퍼피디아어 카어 덴트 리페어 kit is a versatile and cost-effective solution for anyone looking to repair dents on their car. The kit is easy to use, versatile, and includes all the tools needed to get the job done. Whether you are a professional mechanic or just a car owner looking to save some money, the 슈퍼피디아어 카어 덴트 리페어 kit is an excellent choice.